Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
Okay, we're going to add some butter to the pan and let it melt. I'm also going to add a little bit of avocado, I'm so sorry. And in here we're going to add our onions that I've sliced up and our red and green bell pepper. Now let that go for a few minutes. That smells wonderful. Just got started. I'm going to add some pepper and some garlic. Now I'm adding in my mushrooms, and these are canned mushrooms. This is a small can. I believe it's a 4-ounce can. Turn this down a bit. We're not in a hurry. I just wanna somebody. I hope I don't get copyrighted for that. Singing that little song. We're barely singing it. You don't want to cook it too long. About like that. A couple minutes or so, that's it. And here is some beef. And this is canned beef. Let's get it in there. It's already cooked, so you want to just warm it up. And it's going in the oven, okay? So I have some Worcestershire sauce, just a little bit. I have some beef bouillon. Let's get some in here. Put it on my hand because I don't want to over it. We just want that nice beefy flavor. I'm going to add some more pepper and some more garlic. And we're going to move this around for another couple minutes, and that's it. I'm going to turn this off. And you can taste it because it's cooked. Okay, I've turned it off already. I'm going to add some Montreal steak seasoning or any kind that you like. Not much. And I need some more W sauce. And this is, smell like it's ready. I'm ready. Okay, now that's good. My oven's heating up at 350. We're going to assemble this, and then we're going to cook it for about an hour covered, and then we're going to uncover it and cook it again for about another 10 to 15 minutes, okay? All right, let's get ready. The oven ready. Lasagna noodles. You can use any kind you want. And I'll put some at the bottom. You know we're going to have to break them up a bit because they're not going to go in evenly. I wish they would. I want you to see me. Hold on. I hope that's a little better. I'm only going to do a couple layers. Perfect. I'm going to put some cheese using the Italian blend. Do a little more. Okay. How to do it. Let's see. Just fill it up. Break them off. Don't worry about it. You'll never know. It's all cooked. I didn't say it. This is a 1-pound can that I've used. A beef, that is. It's going to make a small one. And that was just enough. So now you know if you're going to try this one and you make a big one, you're going to need probably a couple cans. Maybe more, depending on who you're feeding, right? How many, I'm sorry. Can you see that? And you know what's next? Some cheese. That's it. That is it. And that is all. You know, I'm going to add a little seasoning to the top of this. Okay. Must have gotten a little whiter at the top. Good. Gotta love cheese for this one, huh? Gotta love cheese. I'm just going to add some oils in this cheese to help the lasagna noodles cook. That's it. And I'm going to add some caramelized onion butter seasoning on top. That's enough. Now we're going into the oven. I'll see you when it's done. I have to cover it. Forgot to tell you that. We're going to cover it first, and then we're going to cook it for an hour, and then we're going to take it out. We're going to uncover it and cook it about 15 minutes or so. Okay? Okay. Okay, it's been 1 hour, and look, I forgot to spray my foil with non-stick spray, so don't you forget to do that. We're going to let it cool, and then we're going to take a slice.
I'm so very sorry about the distorted sound.
Just cut a small piece. This is the first piece. Is always some verse, isn't it? Sorry. pieces. Now we're going to give it a taste. See if I can let you see in there. And cut this, got kind of tough on the top. Well, it's gonna come apart, but that's okay. Where's the? Oh, I was trying to show you the beef. Oh my goodness, delicious. Yep, it sure is. It's good. You should give it a try. But until next time, you stay safe, you stay well, and you stay blessed. Remember that God loves you, and so do I. Hey, don't forget to pray.